If you're broke, just say that.
Holy shit, what is that dude doing? Ugh, feels like manly. Ugh. Rotary. What is going on, guys? We are doing our first POV of 2024. Yes, we still have the same disgusting steering wheel and no alignment done, which that's gonna be in the focus here soon. I need new tires because the alignment and all. Yeah. I got you guys set up on the hat right now, kind of differently. I gotta play with some attachments, maybe add an extension right here and then drop you guys down so I could twist you back and have you aim down a little bit more and less inside my face. But ooh, bunch of fucking cops over there. We got someone pulled over. But yeah, it was a lot better than before where you have the cap out this way and it's just completely in your face and you can't fucking see shit. A little quick 30-minute ride. We're gonna go over there just like a POV day, kind of, honestly. That's what this video might be, just a full-on POV day, because why not? Now why? You know? So once we get out the car and stuff, I'll sit you guys, flip you back up and have you a little bit better angle so you're not in front of my face all the time. And if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, please let me know down in the comments. What steering wheel setup should we go with? Should we stick with like something OEM kind of stuff, or get like a quick release setup and aftermarket steering wheel? Say fuck the airbag. Yeah, let me know. Man, this truck leaning, bro. Is his load crooked? What the fuck? He leaning, bro. I'm scared. I wonder if he feels that. Take a little sip of my soda, non-soda. Into some traffic per usual, you know, good Florida things, especially in the Pinellas County area because it is super densely populated over here. Coming here in a short few months, we're gonna have to be finding another spot to rent. Ideally a house, because we do have 2 doggos and we need the space and we need a garage, at least a single car garage, but obviously 2-car garage would be nice. We're looking for rent, but you know, people are saying that buying a house is feasible and maybe a better, you know, outlook and way to go instead of keep paying someone's mortgage and, you know, shit like that. I don't know, man, everything's expensive, especially in this area, and to have the space, I don't think we're gonna find that here. Maybe in the Tampa area, Hillsborough kind of county, somewhere more up north, but my job is out here in like Largo, so it's like I kind of have to find a reasonable distance for the meantime until I find a new job, because eventually I want to do something else. But you know, we work until we work, you know, we got to pay them bills. Oh, yeah. So I'm just doing what I can and need to do. What do you think? You know, do you guys prefer to rent? Would you rather buy a house? What do you think is a smart move? You know, if any of you guys are financial advisors, which I don't know if any of you are, you know, real estate agents, brokers, mortgage brokers, I don't know how the fuck you say any of that. Let me know if you guys are part of any of that stuff, or if you guys have any cool jobs in Florida that, you know, you want to offer your boy, whether that's like media, entertainment, working in a performance shop potentially, manufacturing. I'm willing to move, man, to travel. We're gonna have to travel regardless, you know. Oh, it was this light, huh?
Oh yeah. No, it's the next one.
Don't know the whole region. I haven't been everywhere, so honestly, I don't know what areas are fully good. Definitely never going to Jacksonville, I don't think, or down to like Miami and shit. But yeah, I'm open to offers and ideas. Let me know what you guys think, or if you got some solid gigs, let me know. Woo! I got my hamburger helper here. Are we gonna make it, y'all? Are we gonna make it? We're gonna bumper car them if we don't. I'm gonna put on like a real solid bash bar in the front. Going on 19, what we doing? Ooh, bumpy highway. Do 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 do. So guys, what kind of videos do you want to see this year? Do you guys like the vlog style? Do you like the POV? Do you want to see more maybe lengthy videos, but it's more in depth of actually like completing full-on jobs and more details and all these like cool different shots, the DIYs, the how-tos? Let me know in the comments, guys. I listen to what you guys want, and it gives me ideas because, you know, we have been doing a lot of TSX stuff over the years, so you kind of get a little bit brain farty and kind of run out of ideas sometimes, have a creative mind block. But, you know, we always think of something, especially if we're trying to post almost 2 videos a week. Sometimes, you know, we miss one here or there because it's hard with timing. It's just multiple things. But today we're gonna try to bang out like 2 videos and start a 3rd. Like right now we're doing the whole POV thing. We're kind of just sparked that up and decided to go to this meet. And then we're gonna record a subscriber build video, the first one of 2024, but a whole different style. That should be cool. We shall see. We should see where it takes us. And then I have to do some white TSX stuff, so that's gonna come about as well. People can't drive. You're left lane and can't drive. Come on now. And anyone else, when they're like doing a POV video and they're just like driving and talking the whole time, like they feel like they're just getting fucking lightheaded or some shit, feel like it's too much. You're like straining your head from talking. Like, I don't get it. Maybe I woke up today with a cramp in my neck and shoulder, so maybe that's coming to play. Action behind me. Oh shit. Nice Lotus right here. Is that a GT4? GT3? I don't know my yeah, GT3 RS. Look at that, man. Already getting spicy. And that rotary smells so good. Ugh, feels like manly. Ugh. Rotary. Boom. Did that person park like that? Is that person parked like that? I guess we'll find out when we hop out the car. No way. These people are fucking flying like some idiots. Small ass street. It's pretty nice out. It started off really cold in the morning and last night. This whole cold front, but now it's just like a little chilly breeze. All right, guys, I got you off the clip really quick because it kind of hurts my head, not gonna lie. This is a nice setup, nice front porch. Honestly, St. Pete has some nice setups, but as you guys can see, it's real crowded, congested. Yeah, but it's nice. I mean, clean, looks beautiful, all the trees and shit. Like I said, man, small streets, everything's cluttered together, and it doesn't seem like anyone has any garages here. I like garages, man. We need we need to have a garage space, at least for one car, because we're always gonna have some sort of project, something we need to leave covered and away from the elements. Eventually getting into like a shop, having our own shop space bay would be sick, and then long run having a lift. But even better would be having property, having a little house, and then having a back garage that has, like, you know, the workshop and lift. And y'all, this is another reason why I could not live here, bro, in St. Pete. Look at these fucking brick roads, bro. If you're low enough, you're gonna scrape and get stuck on this shit. Look how fucking it goes. Vroom, vroom. Like, look at, bro. That is such a bad road, bro. That is insane. The TSX would probably get stuck there. Maybe not. It would definitely smack the exhaust quite a few times, especially with these brick edges, how they stand up in some spots. It's gonna hook onto a flange or some shit, man. So some of these side streets are so bad, but like some of these houses are fucking sick, dude. Like, that is beautiful. That is a sick ass setup. Europe right there. That reminds me of like some setup in Poland. Bruh. Having that kind of a porch up top, like, that's Florida's architecture and housing and stuff is super nice, super cool setups. It's different, you know, the beachy vibes, the old historic, whatever. That's nice. Mercedes AMG. Ooh, what is that? McLaren. We're almost there, y'all. Oh, that beautiful doggo. The blues. Long story short, we're not fucking going inside this event. Dude, $30 a person? Be fucking reasonable, y'all. But yeah, I mean, like, there's a shitload of people. Why charge $30 a person? Like, that just, it's a whole ass money grab right there. Bunch of dogs, bunch of cute ass dogs here. This is a vibe, but not a $30 a person vibe, which means 60 bucks in total for some finest Chicago hot dogs. We got some nice classics, got the Ferrari, got that nice Beamer back there. What was that, the V12 or V10? That shit right straight ahead, that looked fire. You guys see a shitload of people, mad money. Yeah, if you're broke, just say that. Man, fuck y'all, donate 60 bucks to me and I'll go in and show you. Like, all right, y'all, we're walking around Lost. Got some more nice cars. Nice older classic Porsches. This blue is crispy. The paint job is crispy. So we didn't really lose ourselves. Yeah, I think we're, yeah. No. Yeah, we're right there. Yeah, no, I don't know. We're close. We're like on the street or the next street over. So guys, we're a little lost. More so lost of like where the fuck the car is.
3 days later.
Neither of us pinned where the car was, and I was just too busy talking to you guys and being all distracted. So I kind of like, I blame y'all, honestly.
1 eternity later.
A little bit walking more than we did from the car, so this math ain't mathin'.
A few moments later.
Y'all, this is honestly extremely pathetic. We walked around quite a little bit more than we should have, but we finally found the car. We were just on that street over there on that corner, like, bro, where the fuck are we, man? This feels like further from the action. And so we're just sitting there trying to see if we have any videos. I was back on the GoPro trying to see the signs, but it was too blurry. Then we're like, all right, we gotta walk this way. And I was like, boom, there's the caravan that we just seen. I was replaying the video and I was like, it's right there. We literally sat there for 10 minutes. Here's the TSX. Woo. Oh, that walking for no reason. Oh, my leg, my back, my crack.
My leg.
See y'all soon.
Nothing left at this stop sign.
told you I was on the right track, man.
I don't remember. I was dying.
Hey, at least we got our cardio in. There's that. We literally were at that corner, walked down here. I was like, oh shit, look. That's the van. So where's that truck that I seen? Was it on this street or was it in a street over?
It was like, I don't know. The next light should go right.
They're in like that nice Asian market or something here, like the big one. Maybe we go to that. Holy shit, what is that dude doing? Look at that, one way. What a fucking idiot. Too busy on his phone or something. Holy shit. That dude's an idiot, y'all. Florida for you, Florida. Damn, holy shit. That dude stood there like, what?
Like, you were supposed to let him
bro,
go,
he had
like,
the slowest fucking reaction of like, oh, maybe I'm doing something wrong. 275?
North. Careful with your tires.
GoPro weighing down my neck and shit. I'm gonna have to figure out a nice setup for this. Something like this would be cool, y'all. I don't know if they have any like towing capacity, but like for space and travel rig, those are cool. You can make like a small home inside those. You have your whole little setup. People do that, they remodel them. Market. It's like the biggest Asian market in like this area, like Pinellas County and shit. Yeah, we're gonna go get some stuff, probably grab some of their hot food, babe. We only come here like once every few months, it feels like.
Facts.
So we're gonna spend $60 the way we like it. We love Asian food and treats and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna went in that place, spend $60 just to get in, and another $30 or something for food, because them vendor spots aren't cheap. Those are nice, y'all. Integra Type S's. $50 well spent. We got some. Damn, bro. Look how I parked way over that line. What's wrong with me? A little food there. Shit.
Authentic, right?
Guess so. The hell? Hey, it's nice how the cars are out. Got this Ford ST.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.